Yearn Finance voters to Wintermute drop dead. One of the biggest market makers in crypto is having trouble getting nearly free money out of Yearn Finance. Wintermute Trading is asking Yearn Finance for a 12-month loan of yCRV tokens as it hunts for extra yield. But voters are rejecting the market maker's advances, calling the deal unfavorable. Wintermute Trading, one of the biggest market makers in crypto, has hit some governance roadblocks as it hunts for yield across decentralized finance DeFi, an ecosystem it helps prop up. The proprietary trading firm, which supports the DeFi industry by supplying liquidity, is trying and failing to convince supporters of Yearn Finance to loan it 350 yCRV tokens, worth over $2 million, in exchange for Wintermute supporting markets for Yearn's yCRV token. Yearn voters are roundly rejecting the advances as extremely unfair. The complex situation highlights how Wintermute has grown, in its founder Evgeny Givnoy's words, increasingly creative and ever more bold in how it extracts value from crypto projects. Securing yCRV tokens from Yearn can help Wintermute earn more yield in its token deal-making. It's trying to get those tokens by leveraging its own stash of yCRV tokens at minimal cost to itself and, in the view of Yearn believers, with minimal upside for Yearn. The whole idea of the deal is antithetical to Yearn's ethos, decentralization to its core, said the influential Yearn voter and community member who goes by the pseudonym yCRV754. Then a potential agreement with an off-chain player to loan out its governance token? That would throw some of that out the window. Trust me, bro. Wintermute first envisioned paying Yearn 0.10% interest on a 12-month loan from its treasury. Instead of pledging crypto collateral, table stakes for most DeFi loans, Givnoy offered his monster firm's credibility. Wintermute is among the most active names in DeFi lending, trading, and governance. Just this month, it helped bail out Yearn Finance. The yCRV loan would be rather stupid for us not to return, he wrote in forum posts. But Yearn's voters question the logic of trusting self-declared reputable companies after blowups of FTX, Alameda, Celsius, and other failed whales. As a concession, Wintermute agreed to post yCRV tokens as collateral in a wallet partially controlled by them and by Yearn. Wintermute is newly flush with yCRV tokens. Earlier this month, it acquired 25 million yCRV at highly favorable rates during the industry-wide bailout of Yearn Finance founder Michael Egorov. It was a move that helped Yearn, and with it possibly much of DeFi, including Yearn, avoid the domino effects of a potentially catastrophic lending blowout. Yearn is among a handful of DeFi protocols that vie for deposits of yCRV tokens by offering big interest rates to those who lock their assets up in its vault, yCRV. If Wintermute were truly interested in giving Yearn a good deal, it might offer to mint new yCRV tokens, one voter told CoinDesk. Doing so could pay long-term dividends for the DAO. But Wintermute has only promised to help Yearn's yCRV markets by providing liquidity to keep its exit ramp investors on solid footing. That's important, one voter told CoinDesk, but nowhere near as advantageous to Yearn as creating a new yCRV. Indeed, Givnoy told Yearn voters in the project Discord that Wintermute has no interest in minting yCRV. It's already locked 6 million yCRV tokens with competitor Convex Finance. Givnoy told them his firm is prepared to do more business with Convex if Yearn doesn't come around. Givnoy and another Wintermute official did not respond to a request for comment. Optics. At press time, the vote, dubbed YP74, was slouching toward failure, with 94% of votes against. It closes on August 30. Wintermute's shellacking appears to have emboldened DWF Labs, another market-making firm. Late last week, DWF pitched Yearn more favorable terms: 1% interest payments every 4 weeks as opposed to 0.1% at the end of 12 months, but no collateral for the same 350 yCRV. That proposal hasn't yet gone to vote. For Yearn and Wintermute, both sides are taking optics into consideration. At one point, Givnoy told the Discord that he shows up in sometimes spicy governance chats. At one point, a user called Wintermute a handout-taking vulture to get a temp check at how we are perceived. The influential Yearn voter who goes by the pseudonym yCRV754 was just as perceptive, pointing out in the Discord that there are benefits to be had from a big name like Wintermute participating in Yearn's markets. This benefit would be completely obliterated, though, by negative sentiment if Yearn accepts an unbalanced agreement, which in my view is still the case with the modified proposal, even if it is one step better than the original.